Can you remember the lesson about mathematical operators where we saw that in certain situations you have to change one of the variables from one type to another? For example, when we had to change the int value to a double in order to get as a result a floating point number and not an integer one. In Java, changing the type of a variable is called type conversion and can take on two forms. Widening, a less detailed type converted into a more detailed one, for example int to double, and narrowing, a more detailed type converted into a less detailed one, for example double to int. Let's look at an example. Let's run this program. The numbers 125 and 5.0 are displayed on screen. When narrowing, we do not approximate to the closest value. Instead, the decimals are completely cut off. If we want to use the extending conversion, we do not need to explicitly write in brackets the type into which we want to change the original value to. The rules say that it is possible to assign a smaller value type to a more general one, so we can erase this part and the program will run nonetheless.